Have you ever taken a photo for your website or for a project that you're working on and you just didn't like the way the background turned out? Well, I'm going to show you today how you can do that in less than 2 minutes and create a more appealing background. I stumbled on this website that I really think that can take your pictures to the next level. That website is pixelcut.ai. I'll include a link down below. I was really amazed by how easy Pixelcut AI is to use, to operate, and to make great photos with AI backgrounds or PNG images with no background. First, what you're going to want to do is open pixelcut.ai. Drag your image from wherever you have it stored in your computer. And it really does all the work for you. If all you want is a PNG image, you can leave it just as it is. After it removes the background, you have the option to add a background color. In the free version, you also have the option to choose an AI background. Here we're selecting something that's more fitting for the image that we're choosing for our customers. I really like this one right here. Simply download the photo and you're done. The image that we had downloaded has been uploaded on our website, and in my opinion, it's a far better image than the standard background that we initially had. Don't forget, like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more great instructional videos.